Hello students. Next point in your syllabus, that is the mechanical tissue systems in plants. The questions may be asked as write short notes on cholenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem and phloem as a mechanical tissue. So before starting these mechanical tissues, you have to know about the tissue or what is tissue. So tissue is a group of cells having similar structure, functions and origin. So in the cells there are number of tissues are present. They are similar, they are structurally, functionally are similar. So what are the types of tissue in cells? So these tissue are mainly divided in two parts, that is the meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. So first of all, what is permanent tissue? Permanent tissues are nothing but, and these are simple tissue and or they are simple tissue or complex tissue. In simple tissue, like parenchyma cells, chlorenchyma, then cholenchyma and sclerenchyma cell. And complex tissue, matlab those are present in the vascular system like xylem and phloem. What are the roles of xylem and phloem? Xylem will help in conductions of the water and phloem will help for the conduction of the food material. So these two are the complex tissue and another are the simple tissue. For example, parenchyma cells, chlorenchyma, then cholenchyma and sclerenchyma. These are the simple tissue. So in tissue system, there are different tissue systems are present. Like first one is the respiratory tissue system, that is related on the respiration or respiration processes. So these are the respiratory tissue system. Next one is the photosynthetic tissue system. The process of photosynthesis, that means from with the help of water and sunlight the plant material make their own food. So that process is photosynthesis. So those tissues are involved in the process of photosynthesis. Those are known as the photosynthesis tissue system. Then conducting tissue system, that is conducting, that means conduction or they mean transport of the water or food material. So those tissues are, for example, xylem or phloem. These are the conducting tissue system. Then excretory tissue system. Excretory, that means from the plant cell some material will be excreted like gum or some aromatic oils. Those are excreted from the plant body. So these are the those involved in this excretion process, they known as the excretory tissue system. And also there is the mechanical tissue system. In mechanical tissue system contains the cholenchyma cells, sclerenchyma tissues, xylem and phloem. These four are gathered in the mechanical tissue system in the plants. So what are the role of mechanical tissue system in plant? So without a mechanical system the plant cannot be stand up. कोई भी प्लांट विदाउट मैकेनिकल सिस्टम्स के अलावा और स्ट्रॉन्ग मैकेनिकल सिस्टम के अलावा वो जो भी स्टैंड नहीं रह सकता. As you know, in heavy rains or wind, due to these plants will faces high wind. So after the high wind they not damage or some plant will be stay as it is. ये कैसे होता है? So due to this plants mechanical strength, they cannot be, or they always stand in that conditions. So in the mechanical tissues, uh, contains the cholenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem and phloem. So in your syllabus there is the inclusion of the mechanical tissue system. So we discuss one by one part. First one is the cholenchyma. So cholenchyma cells are simple and permanent living cells. Then structure of these cholenchyma cells are, it these cells are the polygonal, circular, oblong or in various shapes. The cell wall of these cholenchyma made up of the cellulose and pectin, and it is having the large vacuole. So these cells are extracellulose pectin deposition at the corners. Uh, so next is the types of the cholenchyma cells. So there are I think three types of the cholenchyma cells. First one is the laminar type. So in that laminar type, these extracellular pectin deposition in laminar form. So according to the cellular pectin deposition, that is marked in figure with dark lines. These dark lines are the cellular pectin deposition. So according to the position of cellular pectin deposition, these cholenchyma will be divided. So first type is the laminar type. Laminar type में जो cellular pectin deposition है, they are in the laminar form. Then in the lacunate type, that means there is the at the deposition of the cellulose and pectin, these lacuna are, or some spaces are produced in between these two cells. So these spaces are known as the lacuna. You have to see in this figure. So in two cells in between the space, जो हमें ट्रायंगल शेप में बिटवीन में जो स्पेस दिख रहे हैं, दैट इज द lacuna. So in case of lacunate type, the extracellular pectin depositions forms the intercellular lacunas. That is, intercellular spaces are developed in the lacunate types. Then third one is the angular type. So in angular types, these cellular pectin deposition will takes place at the corners of the cells. यहाँ पे आपको कॉर्नर में डार्क लाइन दिख रही है, दैट इज द सेलुलर पेक्टिन डिपोजिशंस. That's why these types of cells are known as the angular types. That is, at the angles there is the cellular pectin deposition is produced. Then next point is about position of the cholenchyma cells. So these cholenchyma tissues present mostly in hypodermis, seed coat, pericarp and midribs, etc. So in the hypodermis region where it is present, so it is present in the after or below the epidermis, there is the hypodermis region. So mostly in the hypodermis region, these cholenchyma tissues are present. Also it is present the seed coat. सीड्स आपने देखा है, जो सीड का जो आउटर लेयर रहता है, दैट इज़ द सीड कोट. तो सीड कोट में भी ये cholenchyma सेल्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. ऑल्सो इन द मिड रिब्स, दैट इज़ इन लीव्स में जो बीच वाला जो सबसे बड़ी वेन्स रहती है, दैट इज़ द मिड रिब. सो इन द मिड रिब्स also these cholenchyma cells are present. Then what is the function of this cholenchyma? So this cholenchyma provides the mechanical support to the plant. So it is the part of mechanical tissue system. So ultimately it provides the mechanical support to the plants. So this is all about the collenchyma's tissues, which is the part of the mechanical tissue system. In next video, we discuss about the sclerenchyma and xylem and phloem, which is the part of the mechanical tissue systems.